So I've got my circuit tracers here. In this review, what I want to do is show you everything it comes with. We're going to go over the details of this, and then I'll give you a little demo here with my car. So when you do receive it, you got your receiver and your transmitter here. Now this allows you to go ahead and trace circuits down. You can check course continuity, short circuits, and then of course if it's open or short. Now these do take 2 batteries, which they did come with. The batteries are located right here on the back panel here. They both take 9-volt batteries, so that was great that the seller actually sent these. And these also this has a little speaker here, so it's an audible alarm. So for instance, for this one right here, checks continuity. You can push that up here. For the demo, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to check continuity by putting these 2 wires together, which would simulate good continuity. When you do, you're going to see it light up, so it's green. Of course, if it was short, it would go ahead and this would light up. And if it was just plain open and not shorted, and then that's going to light up. So you can see right here now it's blinking. It's saying it's open because we have it connected to anything. And then of course, to turn this on, this is our transmitter. Just going to go ahead and just press it down. And we have 3 different colors here. This really depends upon the sensitivity that you need. So you can go ahead and easily change that. And then as I use this, you'll see this here in a minute, this will actually light up too. Now, this has to be connected in series with your circuit. So for this demo, what I'm going to do is, I've got a fuse right in here. I'm going to pull that out in a minute. I'm going to replace it with this. And then I'm going to go ahead and connect these leads to the end of this. And that way I'll give you an idea of how you're going to be tracing out a circuit. So what I've done is I've taken out my fuse out of the holder. And I know I'm going to use this trace wire right here. Now you'll see here I've got 3 other ones too. So depending on the type of fuses that your vehicle may have, you may use these also. But I know that this one fits this because you can see that's the same size. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just put it in here. It's coming straight from a battery. Once it's in there good, now I can go ahead and hook up my test instruments. So I've got this connected up. This is now in series with this yellow wire. This feeds some cameras that I have in my vehicle, a dash cam. And so when I put my tester here on this side, there's nothing. Over here, the signal is actually going through. So what it's doing is it's injecting a signal into the cable. Now this is only good for DC, anywhere between 6 and 24 volts. What you would want to do is put this along the wire, especially around any connections like I have one there. If that connection was bad, I've got a beep right here. And if I went on the other side of it, which the connection is actually good, instead of it beeping right now, it would not beep at all. And I would know that I have an open circuit. And that would tell me that this connection right there is bad. And it might be the crimp. I'd have to cut it out and then put in a new one. So as I put this on here, you can see here it's beeping. I can change the sensitivity of it. And it's beeping even faster. This is really good if you're around some other wires and maybe you're picking up some interference from that and you're really trying to pinpoint which wire is actually bad. So that's how it works. Super to set up. I love that I can go ahead and especially use these to go ahead and pull out a fuse and test out that circuit just the way I need to. Hope you found this helpful.